Today we are looking at the Hamilton Beach multi-blend blender. How well does it do with smoothies? I got my smoothies in there and I'm doing my preliminary puree option to see how well it's going to blend. It's struggling a little, but bear in mind that all the fruits are frozen and I just had a little water and some yogurt in this. So give it a shake, put it back on the motor, try again. So after the shake, you can see that it's really trying its best to mix the stuff up, but as I said, the stuff are frozen and it has just a small blade at the bottom, so I need to take it out, give it a good mix, and just mix the stuff from the bottom, bring it to the top, and bring the stuff from the top to the bottom, and give it another try. So at this point I mix it up, put it back on the motor, and wow, it's really blending really well. I didn't add any water or anything like that, so I think at this point it's going to be able to blend everything. I will give it some time to blend because I don't like chunks inside my smoothie. But look at that beautiful texture, look at that beautiful blend for a blender that's only $43 before tax. That looks really dope. I mean, this can do a lot of stuff. I use it to chop my ginger and garlic for my tea and everything, so I'm a bit biased, but I like it. So right now I'm just giving it a shake and it looks really well done. It looks like there are no chunks, but I'm still gonna give it a mix for one more time, and to make sure there are no chunks, I'm gonna give it a last blend just to be on the safe side, because once I pour that in my cup, I don't want to pour it back into the blender. So I give it a mix, put it back on the motor and give it one more quick blend. And at this point I know that everything is going to blend smoothly, so I mistakenly hit the mix button in the beginning and it wasn't really blending as efficiently as the puree, so I hit the puree button, and now just look at that. You can see that it's blending smoothly. There are no chunks, there are no objects or limits inside that. So I know at this point it's ready, and I just want to admire it for a couple of seconds, admire that beautiful texture and that beautiful flow. And yep, my smoothie is ready. I'm gonna take it off, put it in the cup, put my spoon through. There is no chunk. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you think it's a good blender for smoothies? Would you cop this? Peace.